Hello viewers, Amazon has revealed the prices of tablets. They have disclosed that the price of iPad 10th generation will definitely decrease below 30,000 rupees, and also Tab S9 FE will be on offer. Price of S6 Lite is not that great. Also, there is no offer on iPad Air here, and you can see that Tab S9 FE is available or will be available under 20,000 rupees. That's a great news. And also I have said that MI Pad 6 will be under 20,000 rupees, and you can see here that MI Pad 6 will be available under 20,000 rupees. However, we will know the exact pricing after few days. And also you can see that Oneplus Pad 2 will be available at a discounted price, but they have not revealed the exact price. But there is no mention of Tab S9 FE Plus on Amazon.in, but you can buy Tab S9 FE Plus on Flipkart, though Flipkart is showing the price of Tab S9 FE little bit higher, but I think the price will definitely decrease when the sale will start, and when Amazon will give Flipkart a tough competition, they will definitely bring down the price. And you can see that iPad Air 2022 will be available under 43,000 rupees. I have speculated that the price will be around 42 to 43,000 rupees. Now you can see that the price is showing 43,000 rupees. And OnePlus Pad 2 here is little bit expensive for the 256 GB version, and also Tab S9 FE is little bit pricey here. So I would suggest you to wait for few days up to 23rd of September, when you will come to know the price of every tablet, be it iPad 10th generation or Tab S9 FE Plus or OnePlus Pad 2 or any other tablet of your choice. A lot of people are complaining in my comment section that I have mentioned the wrong pricing of various tablets, but I would suggest them to wait for few days when they can see that the price of these products will be near to my speculations. Plus, while buying Tab S9 FE Plus on Flipkart.com, you will get students discounts. So I have made a dedicated video on student discounts on Flipkart. So if you are interested to watch that video, links are in the description of that video. So let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are planning to buy during Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale, because a lot of users are actually waiting for the biggest sales of the year, that is Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale, where they can get the maximum discount. I will regularly update you about the latest pricing and offers on Flipkart, Amazon and also Samsung Shop app. So if you are interested to watch those videos, please subscribe the channel with notification bell on. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.